this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything from your laptop. If you want to remove all of your files and folders from your computer, you can do this by performing a reset. To get started, open the Start menu, type Settings, and then click on the Settings app. From the left side, click on System. Then scroll all the way down and select Recovery. Under Recovery options, you'll see the Reset this PC option. Go ahead and click on Reset PC. You'll now see two options, Keep My Files or Remove Everything. In this case, we're going to select Remove Everything. As shown on the screen, this option will remove all of your files and data, including things like browser data and personal files. If you're happy to continue, click Next. Once you're ready, click the Reset button, and Windows will begin removing all of your files and data from the computer. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.